Hey guys, Nate Outdoors here. I'm gonna be fishing for bluegill and bass. And I'm gonna do a challenge. I'm gonna be fishing in storm drains, trying to catch fish. And I'm just gonna make it a little bit harder. I'm gonna try to use pink lures. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I'll get back to you guys when I catch fish. Okay, guys. I've decided to go to the pond, and I'm gonna be fishing for some bread because there's a cold front that's coming in, as you guys probably see with the trees and the wind. And the water's really murky, so I'm just gonna try something where they can just smell it. And it shouldn't be too long. Oh, and there's a bite right there. I'll get back to you guys when I get one. Okay guys, just caught the first fish. Oh, he is really, really cold. This water must be freezing. That's probably why they're not biting as much, but here it is. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I catch another one. Okay guys, I just switched baits to this Bobby Garland minnow thing. The action on it's pretty good. I just got a pretty big bite. It could have been a little bass that I put in here, but I don't know. But just wanted to let you guys know I'm using this, and that I might be moving spots to go fish for baby bass because the bluegill bite's not too good right now. So yeah guys, stay tuned. I'll get back to you guys if I move spots, if I catch another fish. You guys, I don't even know what I just caught. I just caught the smallest bluegill ever on a piece of bread. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there it is. Yeah, this is kind of cool. So yeah, stay tuned. Get back to y'all when I catch another one. Hey guys, so I just hooked onto a decent sized one, I think. Oh yeah, this is a big one. On a piece of bread. He's pulling drag out of this rod, which is kind of surprising. He is giant. This might be one of the ones that I stocked, because I stocked some unhealthy ones in here one time. But look at this bluegill, guys. He's big and fat. Whoa. Okay. Here. Sorry for the wind. I'm sure it's pretty bad. It's because of this cold front, like I said earlier, but look how big that bluegill is. Giant. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I catch another one. Okay, just caught another one. Right here. He's a nice sized one, but he's still pretty small. There's bigger in this lake, as you guys just saw from the last one that I caught. But yeah, he's still a decent little guy right there. Going back in. And there he goes. So yeah. Okay guys, I just caught another one. Right here. This one was I caught it by surprise. I wasn't even paying attention. And then he came out of nowhere. And sorry if I'm doing a bad job with the camera, but like I just got like a strap for my phone for my chest. So yeah. So stay tuned. Okay, just caught another one. Right here. I'm going to show you guys right now. There it is for you guys. Yeah, I'm going to get back to you guys when I catch another fish. Another fish. Another bluegill. Another decent sized one, really fat, right there. Yeah. Okay, guys, I caught another one. It's probably gonna be soon. Like a fish or two. My hands are getting numb. The water's really cold and it's windy. And I have school things I have to do, so yeah. But here's the fish I just caught. I'm gonna unhook him and for the release. So yeah. Okay, guys, I just caught another fish, and this is gonna be the end of the video here. Cause like I said earlier, school stuff and it's cold. So yeah, but here's the fish. Yeah, I'm gonna be posting 2 videos. One right after this one. It's gonna be me that I caught a black racer a few days ago. I forgot to post it though, so yeah, I'm gonna post that for y'all. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll get back to you guys with more videos later. See ya.